Hi, I'm Ron from Kolleno, and in this video I will show you how to create a credit note. So here first I go into the menu Business, then I choose Invoices, and on the Invoices screen you will see this button New Credit Note. So I click on it. I will need to choose a customer, let's say Boom FM, and then it's very similar to the way the invoices work. You see, credit note, reference, you can choose the branding if you have. I don't, everything is for me in British pounds, so I will use this. And then the same way you do the invoices, you need to choose a line item. You can have obviously several, and the credit note will be on these elements. If I go here and save, you can see different options. You can save it as a draft, save it for continuing later, or save and submit for approval. I'm going to click here directly on the green button approve, which obviously saves it at the same time. And then you can see that Xero, very smart as it is, it finds out that for that customer I selected, there is an open invoice which I could apply the credit. So my credit is $23.94. My invoice is 1623. So I'm going to allocate, let's say 10 of that credit to the invoice. So you see the remaining credit is now at $13.94. It shows you it has been applied to the invoice. You can obviously print, email it. You have a few options that you can see there if you want to further allocate it. And what I'm going to do here, I'm going to click on the invoice just to show you that on this invoice, you can see now that the credit has been applied the same way as a payment has been applied. Maybe watch my previous video on applying payments to invoices exactly the same way, and Xero also sees, oh, you still have $13.94 of credit, do you want to apply it on this invoice? And then you can do it. So it's very convenient. So that's it for today. If you want any more tips, watch the other videos and visit our website Kolleno, KOLLENO.com. Bye.